Hello guys, I welcome you all in a new video of GK Quiz English. Today's questions are: what is the highest mountain peak in India? A. Mount Everest, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Nanda Devi, D. Annapurna. Correct answer is B. Kanchenjunga. The highest mountain peak in India is Kanchenjunga, which stands at an elevation of 8,586 meters, that is 28,169 feet above the sea level. Next question: which river is known as the lifeline of India? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Brahmaputra, D. Indus. Correct answer is A. Ganga. The Ganga River, often referred to as the lifeline of India, holds immense cultural, economic, and religious significance for the country. Next question: the Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Correct answer is B. 6. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Next question: the Western Ghats are also known as A. Sahyadri, B. Nilgiri Hills, C. Vindhya Range, D. Aravalli Range. Correct answer is A. Sahyadri. The Western Ghats, also known as Sahyadri Range, is a mountain range running parallel to the western coast of India. Next question: which is the largest saltwater lake in India? A. Chilka Lake, B. Dal Lake, C. Sambar Lake, D. Vembanand Lake. Correct answer is A. Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake, located in the state of Orissa on the eastern coast of India, is the largest coastal lagoon in India and the second largest in the world. Next question: the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in which ocean? A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Correct answer is A. Indian Ocean. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of islands located in the Indian Ocean, situated between the Bay of Bengal to the west and the Andaman Sea to the east. Next question: which city is known as the City of Lakes in India? A. Udaipur, B. Jaipur, C. Bhopal, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. Udaipur. Udaipur, often referred to as the City of Lakes, is a city located in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It is renowned for its stunning lakes, palaces, and architectural marvels. Next question: the Great Indian Desert is also known as A. Thar Desert, B. Run of Kutch, C. Deccan Plateau, D. Ladakh Desert. Correct answer is A. Thar Desert. Thar Desert is a large arid region located in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. It spans across the state of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Haryana, covering an area of approximately 2 lakh square kilometers. Next question: which is the longest river in India? A. Ganga, B. Godavari, C. Brahmaputra, D. Yamuna. Correct answer is A. Ganga. Ganga is the longest river in India, originating in the Himalayas. It flows through the northern and eastern parts of the country, covering a distance of approximately 2,525 kilometers before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Next question: the highest rainfall in India is received in which state? A. Meghalaya, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Meghalaya. Meghalaya lush green landscapes and scenic beauty are attributed to its heavy rainfall. It is a state in the northeastern India known as the abode of clouds. Next question: the Palk Strait separates India from which neighboring country? A. Sri Lanka, B. Bangladesh, C. Pakistan, D. Nepal. Correct answer is A. Sri Lanka. The Palk Strait separates India from Sri Lanka, its neighboring country to the south. Next question: the Indian state known as the Spice Garden of India is A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Goa. Correct answer is A. Kerala. Kerala, often referred to as the Spice Garden of India, is renowned for its abundant spice cultivation. Next question. The Dhaulagiri range is a part of which mountain system in India? A. Himalayas, B. Western Ghats, C. Eastern Ghats, D. Aravalli range. Correct answer is A. Himalayas. The Dhaulagiri range is a prominent mountain range located in the Himalayas in India. It is known for its majestic peaks, including Dhaulagiri 1, the 7th highest mountain in the world. Next question. The Konkan coast is located along which Indian state? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Maharashtra. The Konkan coast stretches along the western coastline of the Indian state of Maharashtra, known for its stunning natural beauty, making it a popular tourist destination. Next question. The city of Jaisalmer is located in which Indian state? A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Jaisalmer, located in the state of Rajasthan, it is known as the Golden City due to its golden sandstone architecture and the desert landscape that surrounds it. Next question. The Indian state with the highest literacy rate is A. Kerala, B. Mizoram, C. Goa, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Kerala. The Indian state with the highest literacy rate is Kerala, known for its focus on education and social development. Kerala boasts a literacy rate of over 95%. Next question. The Indian state with the largest forest cover is A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. The Indian state with the largest forest cover is Madhya Pradesh, known for its rich biodiversity and extensive forest areas. Next question. Which Indian city is located at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers? A. Prayagraj, B. Varanasi, C. Haridwar, D. Patna. Correct answer is A. Prayagraj. The Indian city located at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati rivers, Prayagraj. This confluence is considered sacred in Hinduism and is known as the Triveni Sangam. Next question. The Indian state with the longest coastline is A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Gujarat. The Indian state with the longest coastline is Gujarat. Situated along the western coast of India, Gujarat boasts a coastline stretching approximately 1600 kilometers along the Arabian Sea. Next question. The famous hill station of Shimla is located in which Indian state? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Himachal Pradesh. The famous hill station of Shimla is located in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Shimla blend of natural beauty and colonial heritage makes it a popular destination for families and adventure seekers. Do subscribe this channel for more such knowledgeable videos. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Thanks for watching.